Hello everyone, welcome to our 59th part of 100 Ways to Motivate Yourself. I'm Walt, and here we are with part 59, which is to paint your day. This one can be a little bit interesting because of some of the kind of almost perfectionist undertones that can come about if you do this one incorrectly. And really, it's basically about planning your day a little more than just letting it kind of play out under blind circumstance, as Steve Chandler talks about in this part. So I think that that's pretty interesting. I mean, we don't want to just be going and getting on the plane and saying, take me anywhere in life, and not having any kind of plan, any kind of passions, just really not planning out where we're going to go. But I also think that some people can tend to over plan their day. They're like, okay, I'm going to paint it like this here, and I'm going to add this brush stroke, like this, brush stroke over here, and I'm going to do this, I'm going to do that. And they can think of like 500 different things, and then they're going to lead themselves into a cycle of disappointment, being upset, thinking I'm not good enough, I can't do a good job, because they painted a perfect picture of what they want to do, and then it plays out and they didn't do it perfectly. So we don't want that, but I think what he's going for here is not to have a perfect day, but really to plan out your day in terms of saying, okay, well, here are some things I like to do. I know I'm passionate about this. I know I'm passionate about that. I know that, I like to do this, and I probably need to do this, and things like that. That really is kind of a basic kind of, I would say it's more sketching out your day than painting it out. That you sketch out your day of kind of how you want things to go, or rather at least here are some things that you're reminding yourself of, I have passions, because it seems like sometimes after we go to bed in the morning, we get up and we forget about some of our greatest ideas, some of our greatest works, and it isn't, sometimes it can even be months or years later before we ever get back to them, and some things we'll never get back to. So I think of this one being, get up, kind of sketch out some things that you remind yourself of you being passionate about, you being good at, things that are really your affirmations, and then go get them in your day. Anyway, that's about it for part 59. I will see you guys next time with part 60, so stay tuned. I'll see you then.